Good evening, everyone. This is Kiranmay, and today I'm going to explain you how this circuit works. This is a comparator circuit with one input as a sawtooth wave with 1 kilohertz frequency and 5 volt peak magnitude. The other input is 1 volt DC supply. So let's first see how a sawtooth wave can be generated. This is a sawtooth wave generator circuit. First, the function generator, the positive terminal of this is connected to the capacitor, and then this is connected to the base of this particular transistor. The emitter terminal of this particular transistor is grounded. In order to see the input and output waveforms, we have connected the output and input to this oscilloscope. Let's see what are the specifications we have made with the function generator. I have given the square waveform with 100 hertz frequency and 5 volt peak magnitude. Okay, let's see how this works. Run this. So this is the output waveform and input waveforms of this particular function wave generator. You can change the background if you need. The red color one is the square wave given as an input, and the green color one, as you can see, is the sawtooth wave which is generated. So this is this. This particular output, the output of this particular circuit is then connected to the inverting terminal of this op-amp IC741, and the non-inverting terminal is then connected to a DC supply. The input and output signals are then given to another oscilloscope, so we can see the output of this particular comparator. This particular part of circuit acts as a comparator, and this particular part acts as a waveform generator. So let's see the how this comparator works. Yes. As you can see, the blue color one, this is the input given to the comparator, and the red color one, this is the output of the comparator. As you know how the comparator works, let's see here. When the input of the comparator is greater than 0 volt, then the output will be plus VCC. This is plus VCC. And when the input of this particular comparator is less than 0 volt, then you will get minus VCC, as you can see here. And this continues further. And one more thing is you can generate this particular wave generator in another way also. Like you can do it with the help of an integrator. Let's see that one also. This is an integrator circuit. This is an IC741. Here is a function generator. It is given to negative terminal of this particular op amp. You have given these two variable resistors. When you give 50% to both these particular resistors, then you'll be getting a triangular wave. But then you need a sawtooth wave. Thus, you have to give which is something percentage which should not be equal to 50%. See here, you can see the output wave. See this red color one is the input wave and the green color one is the output waveform. This is a sawtooth wave. Yes, this is what I have to say. And yeah, this is a waveform generator. This is a comparator. Let's see both the waveforms at a time. Yes. This red color one is the input and green color one is the output of the waveform generator. Here, the blue color one is the input and the red color one is the output. You're fine with this. Thank you. Thank you for watching.